This is a very good product, very useful. You can build everything, almost everything. You have rods, slash, sheets, like this. Very, very good. You can do anything you want. To do this work, I use all the pieces that I cut it out from the excess of plastic. Okay, let it dry. Now we mount the head of the pilots. It's quite easy work, but if you want to do something very good, it's not so easy, because there's the joint between the two halves, this and this, and this is always rough, it's not well finished, so it's better to sand it down a little bit. For a good sanding, we need water, because this is not good. So I go to sand it and then return back. Sanded, and now we have to paint. Let me see if I can turn the camera so you can see how do I paint my thing. Nice. It's very easy. 1, 2, then okay. By now it's enough. here we are. This is the result. It's not perfect. It's handmade, without masking, so on. It's quite nice. Unfortunately, I have no Audi decals or stickers to finish better on the helmet. Perhaps it would be nice to have some Audi stickers. I didn't find them in my collection. Now we have to put this into this by this side. Okay, I have used this to fill the gap between the body and the interiors and the body. Now we have to decide here, here, higher, lower, where to. Okay. This is Velcro tape. One. Okay. Now we have to put it quite precisely, but not so much precisely, as you can adjust later the... Sorry, but I have to work by this side. I think here and here. How is it? Perfect. What do you say? Oops, you can see it. Huh? Good. But this is not all. This is not finished, as I have this. And this is for the roll cage. From here to here, from here to here, then here, here and a half. Maybe I make two crosses. It's not to match this. And surely the cross here in the car, that is the thing that you see. And this makes the difference. I think this makes the difference. It's not so easy to do. Find the right place and so on. A nice slideshow to find. Ah, no, wait. I have to make the holes here for the body mount. Where do they arrive? Exactly on the buckle. No, so. Alright. Okay. These are my interiors, almost finished. The roll cage, pilots, but it's not finished because I had an idea. And now I have to take the camera to show you what all these pieces are for. I had in mind to build the lamp for the, not the driver, what's the name of the other pilot? In Italy we say navigator. the one who reads the notes and say where the track is. So to do this lamp, that is a flexible lamp from here on here, I need this spring that I take from this one, this big lighter. Then plugs, lamps, these are not LEDs. This is from aluminium. The lamp has to go here in. This is the support, flexible. This wire inside, and one pole on this wire and the other pole on the spring itself. This is my idea. Then this, the plug, and here to the circuit, to the lamps. This is my idea. Now I have to see if I'm able to do it and how does it works. We can try. Ha ha! Look at that. Isn't it nice? Wonderful. This is very, oops, something is falling down. It's very realistic. I'm very happy for this. Look at that.